I'm gonna show you how to follow or unfollow investment on Google Finance. So to get started, you have to go to google.com/finance, and from there you just have to log into your account so you can add or unfollow or follow the investments. So from here you just have to go to select any investments right here. It's either forex, crypto, or stocks, and from here you can just select on the bottom right here. So I'm just gonna go on click on this one, and it says follow right there. And once you click on follow, it will automatically add it to your watch list. And then this is now your watch list. To unfollow this one, you just have to go to this side right here. You have just click on check, and then uncheck the watch list. So there you go. That's it. That's how you follow or unfollow trading investments on Google Finance.